Let me go across to our colleague Hiten, who's getting us more information from this particular site.
उसके बाद वो प्लेन पूरी तरह जो है वो जलकर राख हो चुका है। आप इमारतें देखेंगे तो अस्पताल की इमारतें भी आपको नजर आएगी कि चारों इमारतें जो है वो पूरी तरह ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक पूरी तरह जलकर खाक हुई है। महज 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी, अगर रनवे मैं फिर एक बार दिखा पाऊँ, मैं संकेत से कहूँगा आपको दिखाए जूम करके कि महज 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर आपको अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अहमदाबाद के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एयरपोर्ट का वो रनवे नजर आएगा, जहाँ से सारे प्लेन्स जो है वो उड़ान भरते हैं और उड़ान भरते ही ठीक 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर ही लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ये हादसा हुआ है, जो मेघानी नगर की तरफ का एरिया जो है वो कहा जा रहा है। 133 मौतें जो है इस वक्त कंफर्म हुई है। 133 का आंकड़ा जो है वो अब तक कंफर्म हो पाया है, लेकिन जो तस्वीरें सामने आ रही है वो बेहद ही भयावह तस्वीर।
It's my colleague Hiten getting us a ground report of whatever has been taking place near this crash site. Right now, as we speak, viewers, as you can see, rescue operations underway. There's also the authorities who have been pressed into action to clear the wreckage and basically sanitize that entire spot so that authorities and investigators can make sure that after, this entire situation is under control, they can investigate the exact cause of this crash landing. This is, of course, near Ahmedabad that it has happened, and clearly looks like a residential area. So, the concerns then increase because this happened near a residential area, and therefore more and more concern building up as far as this crash landing is concerned. Mr. Devesh Agarwal continues to be with us. Mr. Devesh Agarwal, can I understand from you, since the Boeing 787 relies heavily on the FBW system, that is fly-by-wire system, which is basically more dependent on digital information coming in. Do you think that perhaps could have played a role in giving out some sort of erroneous information or some sort of software bug? All right, Mr. Agarwal, I'll come back to you. Hiten, my colleague, is getting us more from the spot.
Flight AI 171 from Ahmedabad to London earlier today was involved in a crash shortly after takeoff outside the airport. As a result, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad is currently not operational. All flight operations are temporarily suspended until further notice. Passengers are advised to चेक विद देयर रिस्पेक्टिव एयरलाइंस। ये एक गाइडलाइन जो है इश्यू किया गया है और हादसा हुआ है वो बताया गया है, लेकिन ये हादसा किस वजह से हुआ, क्या कारण थी, क्या टेक्निकल खामी हुई थी, उस पर अब तक किसी भी प्रकार का कोई आधिकारिक बयान जो है वो जारी नहीं किया गया है। हालांकि
ladies and gentlemen, is what is happening near the crash site. As you can see, there are fire tenders at the spot, and simultaneously the injured have been taken to the hospital. The authorities have pressed into action several NDRF teams who are at the spot currently making sure that more and more evacuations take place. The Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, has taken stock of the situation. In fact, he's spoken with the Chief Minister of Gujarat as well. The Home Minister, Amit Shah, is on his way to Gujarat. And there are, remember, not just Indian nationals who were there on this ill-fated aircraft, but there were foreign nationals as well. There were about 53 British nationals, 1 Canadian national, and a few Portuguese that were on board. 7 Portuguese nationals is what we know, Hina. As we speak, several teams of the NDRF, they're at the spot. There is, of course, a focus on not just evacuation and making sure that the injured are given out proper treatment, but also, of course, the focus now by the authorities and the investigators will go on to how to investigate this further and understand what exactly must have happened during that ill-fated moment.